Hey I want to learn something new about water droplets and weather.
What's inside a raindrop? Raindrops seem simple, but each one forms from tiny water bits high in the clouds. Let's see how they grow and fall. The word droplet means a tiny round bit of water. Raindrops begin when water vapor sticks to dust in the air. The word vapor means water in the air you can't see. As more water collects, the droplet grows heavy. When it's heavy enough, the droplet falls as rain. No two raindrops are exactly the same. Raindrops help plants and rivers stay alive. Search online for more interesting facts about water droplets and weather. Let's learn something new.